everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to indent in Word. So first you need to open your document, you need to indent, and you need to click on the place where you want to indent. So most of the indent is done at the beginning of the passage. So here it is. Just press tab in your keyboard and it will indent. So here at the top you will see this scale and you will see this top indent. So the top indent is for the beginning of the passage. So if you want to indent everywhere, you can just slide this bar as far as you can to your suitable spot. So there it is. If you want to indent the other part of the passage, then you can just slide the bottom part of the indent like this arrow. So there you go. You have just indented the other parts of the passage. So if you want to indent the whole passage, then you need to slide the bottommost part of the scale. So here you can indent it like that. So if you want to indent the whole passage, you need to press Ctrl+A and then slide the bar you want to indent, such as top indent, then the bottom, or the whole passage. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe.